How's it going, you guys? It's your boy Jacob here, back from another video. Now in today's video I have a script for the game The Hood. Now this is the spy script that has been showcased before, and I don't think it's a GUI. I think it's mostly like command and features, almost like Laura used to be. So let me just go ahead and show you guys. I gotta go into The Hood. Now before I start off, guys, make sure you guys like this video, subscribe to my channel, also join my Discord server, Roblox Scripts. As you can see, we have a pretty good amount of members right now. Let me see who joins. These are all the people that joined today. So make sure you guys can be a part of this as well. There's going to be Nitro giveaways done soon by Jamie's. So like in the next week. Yeah, next week it should be happening. So make sure you join, guys. Go into here, do whatever you want. And yeah, join the Discord. Join my Roblox group as well. And if you want, you can donate. And let's go ahead and get right into it. So first things first, you guys want to start the game. And this is my group, Stellar Empire. Now, I keep on saying I'm going to do giveaways, but I'm waiting a little bit because I haven't been live streaming at all. But you know, when I start live streaming again, I should start doing giveaways for you guys to enjoy. So let me go ahead and pull this back real quick. Take that back, go to All-Gen. And let's go ahead and I don't know what's wrong with this thing. So let's go populate server. No, you're kidding me, or is it gonna work or not? Let's refresh. Agent does not condone modification. Usage is not responsible for any abuse of the tool. Just go ahead and paste it again. I don't know what that is, okay? Don't ask me. Okay, put that in. If it doesn't work, I'm just gonna have to use my own account. Yeah, it's not working. All-Gen, are you kidding me? They made a whole new thing, but it's not working. I don't know why. So GG's. Just go ahead and join my other alt account. You know, if they ban me on my alt account, I don't really care. I have more alternative accounts now. So yeah, if they ban me, it's not really gonna stop anything. But I mean The Hood, because if Roblox bans me, obviously that's gonna stop stuff, you know. So let's wait. Okay, now that we're in, let's refer to load in. Are you kidding me, dude? Dude, I'm better at fighting. Oh, never mind. Let me turn my volume up. I hate how this never turns my volume up. So we got Olivia. Yeah, Olivia, dude, you literally just messed up. You should have never done that in your life ever. Oh my god. It's making me restart Synapse. Let's go ahead and restart Synapse. And what that actually restarts, I also need to open up the menu to get the script and oh my freaking god, bro. You gotta be kidding me. Always happens, man. Always happens with this. Yes, okay, yes, I admit it. You can do that or whatever. I don't really care. And okay, it didn't delete it at least. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Let's see if it's gonna load up. What is this? Its name? Who just? Okay. Let's open spy script, spy command. This is the script that I'm going to leave for you guys, and this is everything that you can do. Holy crap! That's all the features, guys. So I think Synapse got a new UI, which is should be pretty cool. Now I believe it's gonna make me restart one more time. Yeah. Alright, so that's that. Let me go ahead and allow this on my device. Oh wait, it's Olivia. Olivia just got destroyed. Okay, let's go ahead and execute the script. So we're gonna execute spy command, spy script. There we go. Now once you execute, it's gonna say welcome. And it's gonna say the hood UI. It's going to respawn you, and then here are the features, guys. I'm gonna let you guys take a look at this doc. I don't think I can leave it in the description or something, but I can definitely leave it for you guys right here. You got chat commands, reload, lag. No, because you got Z, quick TP, kill around you. So you press Z, it's going to teleport you to someone nearby and get them. So you see that guy right there. But I don't know if it works that well. Let me close the script one. You got H, so you can do H, len, right? So their account is 463 days, which is pretty cool. You can also find female guard. Me too. What's up? What's up, Olivia? Okay, but God makes it so your guns don't work. So let me just go ahead and I mean, it makes it so your fists don't work, but you can use guns. So that's pretty cool. So hold on. So watch. So you do fly. It's gonna make it so you can fly with C. And I don't know what X does. Hold on, let me check the keybind. K is no clip, L is speed, makes your weapon reach. Okay. Aim lock. Also B is aim lock. That's pretty cool. You got toggle punch, reach, flashbang, and fly. So if you press this, then you can reach. Holy, yes, you guys can see you can reach. So we go ahead and get the silencer real quick. And the cool thing about this is you're gonna see something, guys. So if you get the silencer and you press B while you're on it, okay, not B, the other B. Oh my god, I keep pressing the wrong one. You can aim lock people, I believe. Yeah, if you press B, like I said, you can aim lock people. Just gonna go with the person nearest to you, as you can see. Watch. And if they're not moving that much, you can get them pretty cool. Oh. So danger situation respawning. So it makes it so you don't lose your weapon. So I think that's actually pretty cool, guys. Because it's going to make it so you don't lose your weapon at all. Oh my god. Okay. Let me do E-God again. Like I said, press B. And boom. Just like that, you got aim lock. Now I don't know why my God mode's not working. So let me try it one more time. Let me see what's up with this. You got a lot of features, guys, that you can use. You can look at them right here. I think I will try. I don't know if I can leave it on the pastement. Okay, so the gun mode doesn't work for fists. For like fists, only works for guns. So if you get in a dangerous situation, sorry, I lagged right there. My voice lagged. You can just do that and leave. You know, it's not going to make you lose your weapons, thankfully, and you can just fly. You can just fly and get people really cool like this. Watch. So I think that's pretty cool. This is one of the most overpowered command scripts out there for sure. And I can definitely see how this. I think it has a premium version, but I think this is a leaked version. I'm not sure, honestly. But as you can see, I can just run into here and boom. Error 1. I just got error 1. That guy's gonna finish all of them. So I mean, if you want, you can yourself go and finish all of them. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.